Good day, viewers. You are welcome. A lot of students don't know how to start this. If we are given x power of x equals 36, these equations looks so strange because we have the same variable as the base and the exponent. Unlike if you have, let's say, x power 2 equals 36. So this is very easy to solve. Just like we express this in exponent form, as we have x power 2 equals 6 power 2. So when we are looking for only the real number here, or let's say we need two numbers that satisfy this, so we can just see that the x here equals minus 6 comma 6. Both of them satisfy this. This is very simple to solve. But the case of when we have the base is a variable and the power is also a variable, so we cannot do it this way, and that is how it becomes more complicated. And how can we solve this? So let's see how we can solve this problem beautifully. Let's start by guessing first. Let's say we have a solution here. If I try to plug in some values, like let's say we have 1 power of 1, so if you test for 1, this equals 1. This is very small to 36. And again, if we test for when x equals 2, we are going to have 2 power 2, and this equals 4. Also very small to 36. And if I test for 3, so 3 power of 3, this equals 27. Yeah, this is very close to it, but we have not gotten the answer yet. Then if we test for, let's say we have x equals 4 power 4, this is 256, but this is far greater than 36. But to cut the story short, we are expecting to get an answer between 3 to 4, so that is 3 less than x and x less than 4. So we are expecting to get the answer within this range. And how can we solve this? Let's see the step by step of solving this. And if you have any idea on how to solve it also, so you can just drop it in the comment box. If you are given this kind of problem, the first thing we are going to do is we look for a way to take the power of this base down. And to do that, we introduce natural logarithm to both sides, that is ln. We introduce ln to both sides, that is ln x power x equals ln 36. And then by rule of logarithm, if I have ln a power of m, this equals m ln a, that is this power here will be transferred back to the ln, and we have m ln a. So applying it to this, we have x ln x equals ln 36. And with this, so I'm going to start this, and if I recall that, let's say I let x to be equals exponential of, let's say, t, for instance, and anytime we have ln and exponent, this always equals 1. Then introducing ln to this, we have ln x equals ln of exponential t. When this cancelled, we have ln x equals t. By now considering x ln x, we are going to have our x to be exponential of t in bracket, then multiply by ln x is now t equals ln 36. If you follow to this stage, please do well to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Then the next step is I can write this as t exponential of t equals ln 36. So getting to this stage, we are going to apply the Lambert function here. That is only where we can get this. If you want to avoid guessing the value of t, let's apply that functions. So we use that function when logarithm does not have power to solve our problem. Then we use the Lambert W functions. So, and what does it say? Suppose we have t exponential of t equals, let's say, b, which is the constant. So the answer to this will be t equals w of b. That is what we get. That is, this coefficient of exponent and the power of exponent must be the same. That's only we can apply this. And on getting this, we can now have the value of t here equals the Lambert function of b is just like our ln 36. All right. So if this is cleared, we got the value of t already, but we need x. Let's try and substitute back into where we let x equals exponential of t. All right, so we have x equals exponential of t. Substituting, we have x equals exponential of omega of ln 36. So this is what we have for x, but we can still write this thing in another form, as we use the identity of these functions. Let's say we have exponential of, so this is the value of x first, and again we can just consider having EW of, let's say, k. This thing is the same thing as k divided by w of k. They are the same. This is just the identity, and by applying it, we are going to have x equals ln of 36 divided by Lambert function of ln 36. This is what we have for the answer basically. But if you want to consider the numerical values of this, and we are going to have, since I said the answer ranges between 3 to 4, note that if you have ln 36, this is just as the approximate of this is 3.5835. And also, if you press calculator or use Wolfram Alpha calculator for omega of ln 36, so this is going to be approximate to 1.143. And if I divide these two, we are going to have x equals 3.5835 divided by 1.143, and the answer is given as 3.136. So x equals 3.136 is the solution to this problem. As we can put a check, replace s with 3.136, then everything will be approximately to 36. How do you solve this? Do you think the same way I think, or you have another thinking? Let's drop the answer in the comment box. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.